guys, welcome to mikimeloco. In today's video, let's crochet this capybara plushie. Now let's get started. We start with a magic ring. Yarn over the little finger, then your index finger, then your middle finger. Insert the hook and pull out the yarn. Yarn over and pull through. This is a slip knot. Now in the first round, we're gonna make 6 single crochet. Insert the hook into the ring and pull out the yarn. Yarn over and pull through. So this V shape is your first stitch. You want to put a stitch marker to mark your first stitch. Now we keep doing 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're gonna pull the yarn tail to tighten the loop. And take off your stitch marker. Insert the hook into the first stitch and yarn over. Pull through the first stitch and pull through the loop on your hook. This is your first round. Now in round 2, we should have 6 increase. First, we're gonna yarn over and pull through. This is a chain stitch and we use it as a standing stitch. Now, we're gonna insert the hook into the first stitch just right below and to make 2 single crochet in the same stitch, which makes 1 increase. So we insert into the first stitch. This is the first stitch, first single crochet, and we insert into the same place to make another single crochet. So these 2 stitches make 1 increase. Now we keep doing the same thing in the next stitch. Crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. And now in the third stitch, we do another increase. In the fourth stitch, another increase. This is 5th stitch and we make increase again. This is the 6th stitch. Make another increase. And now take off the stitch marker. Connect with your first stitch. This is round 2. In round 3 and 4, we do 12 single crochet in each round. And first we need to have a chain stitch as our standing stitch. And in the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, another single crochet. 3, 4, 5, and we just keep doing single crochet in these 2 rounds. For round 5, we do a chain stitch first. Now in the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, make 1 increase. And we repeat that for another 5 times. So in the third stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the fourth stitch, make 1 increase. And we repeat that. In round 6 and 7, we do 18 single crochet in each round. And don't forget your chain stitch at the very beginning. In the end of round 7, when we are connecting with the first stitch, so instead of inserting your hook into the whole stitch, we're going to just insert into the front loop. Yarn over and pull through. In round 8, we're going to make a chain stitch first. And now we will do a decrease. So we insert the hook into the front loop of the first stitch and insert into the next stitch's front loop as well. And we yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. This is your first stitch. Now, in the next stitch, we make 1 single crochet. And we repeat that. 1 decrease, insert into the front loop of the next 2 stitches. Make 1 decrease. And in the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. And repeat that in this round. In round 9, we do 12 increase because chain stitch first, and in this first stitch, make 1 increase. In each stitch, we make 1 increase. From round 10 to round 15, we do 24 single crochet in each round. And don't forget to make a chain stitch before you start each round. And I'll meet you in round 16. In round 16, make a chain stitch first. And in the first 2 stitches, we make single crochet. Then we make 1 decrease. We repeat 1, 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. Round 17, make a chain stitch first, and in the first stitch make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 decrease, and repeat that. Single crochet, decrease. In round 18, we do 6 decrease. So in the end of round 17, when we are connecting, we connect with the front loop. Now let's make the front legs. Yarn over your little finger and hold your yarn. And we're gonna make a slip knot. Now we chain 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And insert the hook into the second stitch. Make 1 single crochet. Put a stitch marker on the first stitch. In the second stitch, make another single crochet. In the last stitch, make another single crochet. And now we're gonna have a chain stitch. Flip it to the back and insert into the first stitch, make another single crochet. Put a stitch marker on the first stitch on this side. Another single crochet. Take off the stitch marker. Make 1 single crochet. And we make a chain stitch. Flip it to the back. In the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. And for the last time, make a chain stitch, flip it to the back, make single crochets. So that means we work 3 rows back and forth. the second single crochet, and this is the last stitch. Now in the end, we make a chain stitch and pull out the yarn. Now we fold in half and sew together. For the back legs, we actually follow the same way, but this time we're going to start with 6 chain stitches. And again, from the second stitch we do single crochet, and we should have 5 single crochet in each row, and we work 3 rows back and forth, then fold in half and sew them together. So we follow the same thing as we did in front legs. For the ears, we use 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, and pull out the yarn. We fold in half and sew the beginning and end together, or you can use hot glue. So we sew the beginning and end together, or you can use tacky glue. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay posted with my latest crochet patterns and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!